Back in my day, we didn't have fancy interwebs. Come on, buddy. Come on. What do you think of that snow? Blizzard has begun. I just got a snowflake in my eye. We are under a blizzard warning, a winter storm and blizzard warning here in Leavenworth, Kansas today. Usually the meteorologists are wrong. I think today they hit a home run. Thank goodness it's Sunday. We don't have to be anywhere. I have bread, I have milk, I have fish sticks and toilet paper. The essentials. All kinds of birdies out here looking for seeds. It is cold. I threw out bird seed right where the dog's gonna walk. I forgot I had a dog. Well, I guess it's been going on for about almost 3 hours. And now it's just this fine snow and wind. Power's going out all over town. So far, knock on wood, we still have power here. Supervising. Oh my God. We lost the middle of our tree. It's gonna be a long night. We also lost our phone and electricity wires in the process. Isn't that great? Can you see anything? Huh? Neither can we. It's 9 p.m. Still no power. We have a propane heater hooked up, keeping the upstairs warm. We're gonna need an electrician after Westar gets here to do their part. Yeah, the tree branch yanked the power wire out of our house, so I guess to be continued tomorrow, because I'm gonna try to go to sleep. I hope and pray that the flashing lights of a Westar truck wake me up soon. What a blizzard. Okay, I'm going to bed. We'll talk more tomorrow. It's 4:30 a.m. Oh, yay. It's gonna be a long day. I need a nap. We have light. What a night. Sun's out. It's like it never happened. I gotta go do some shoveling. Clean off a car. Happy Monday. Yeah. Power went out again. But it's okay this time because the electricians turned it off. Yeah, they're here. We have to have everything replaced from the electric box in our house up to the electric wire that enters our house. We are trying to be patient with our electricians. We are very thankful for them.
They're like teenagers.
They're very young. Trade school is cool, man. But that's for another vlog. It's a crappy time of year for this because, you know, Christmas. But hey, Merry Christmas, kids. We have electricity and the house won't burn down. The blizzard started 24 hours ago. We are still reeling. But we're gonna be fine. It's 2 o'clock. We still don't have power. We don't have Wi-Fi. In 3 hours it's gonna be dark. We're not gonna have anything to eat for dinner because we ate all our sandwich stuff yesterday. We're just gonna be eating jam sandwiches, which is 2 pieces of bread jammed together. It's becoming an extreme emergency. In the past 24 hours, we had power for 3 of them. Long enough to make some pancakes. And warm the house back up. It's gonna be dark soon.
Okay. And I got 9 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I gotta stop to get married.
Husband or wife?
Husband.
I took a wife.
I want a wife. Did your person have no head?
Yes, it's head.
No power, no Wi-Fi,
And I need
no life.
100.
So, I'm starting a GoFundMe page for how much it costs to turn my electricity back on. Cash only. Tanisha Cassie So Sassy in Leavenworth. It's back on. That's all that matters at the end of the day, right, Lucille? Make some tacos for dinner. Lucy doesn't like tacos, so she'll be having macaroni and cheese and hot dogs. Because that's how poor people eat.
Thank you, Mama.
We did all right today. The Wi-Fi's back, so that means we're playing Undertale.
You don't need Wi-Fi to play Undertale.
You need the TV.
These kids wouldn't have lasted a day in the 80s.
I would
I
have.
totally would have if Undertale.
Back in my day, we didn't have fancy interwebs. Thanks for watching the saga. Blizzard 2018. Very unexpected consequences.
You're biting.
And the dog
Oh, now you
is out of his crate.
totally be obedient.
And he's kind of being a jackass. So we gotta get him back on a routine.
Look.
Tomorrow life goes back to normal. Thanks for watching my vlog. Peace out. We just got power. And he finally ran out of power. It has been a long day, people.